For our first formatting goal, you'll want to make a heading stretch across multiple columns, like across these 12 months. This task will involve merging cells, which takes several cells and groups them into a single cell. I will select the cells I want to include in the merge, cells A1 through M1. And then, on the Home tab, in the Alignment group, I will select the Merge and Center drop-down arrow. And in this context, Merge Across and Merge Cells are the same since we only have one row of cells selected. Had I selected multiple rows, Merge Across would only merge the cells within one row. I will select Merge Cells. That worked, but we want the text to be centered across these columns. I will select the Merge and Center drop-down arrow again and select Unmerge Cells. With the cells still selected, I will select Merge and Center just by itself. And the text is now merged and centered across the columns above the data. One of the main reasons for using this feature is that if any of these column widths are adjusted, the text here will still be centered across these columns and one will not have to keep adjusting this text so that it is centered properly, as I'm saving time in making this heading look aesthetically pleasing. We can merge cells vertically as well as horizontally. I will select cells A8 and A9. Select the Merge and Center drop-down arrow and select Merge Cells. Take a look at this message though. If you have text in multiple cells, only the content of the upper left cell in the group of cells being merged is kept. In this case, the words with taxes will disappear. Knowing that, I will select the OK button. And we have two merged cells, and the word totals is all that remains.